Check out this YIRISO 5-in-1 professional grooming kit. Now this is a really awesome shaver, and it does have 5-in-1. So there is a shaver, there's also a nose hair trimmer, there's a body trimmer, and then you can do like full size or even some precision trimming as well. And this is just a fantastic razor that we're going to unbox and show you how it works. Now you get so many things in this box. There is the razor itself and then all of the trimmers along the top there. So here's the nose hair trimmer, and then these are the body trimmers, and then the full size trimmer and the precision trimming that you have as well. Here is the razor. So if we take this out, we can see that here is the trimmer itself. Now there is an LED screen on here that we can use. So if we turn it on, there we go. Now this is trimming away, and there's a little LED screen that shows you how much time is left on the battery. So this is at 90 minutes, and the LED screen tells us this, and when you charge this up you get 90 full minutes of battery usage. So there is a port on the bottom here that you can use to charge it up, and once it's free then you can just use it however you want and trim your beard or anywhere on your body as well. Now there are also several filters that you can use, so you can do like, 3 millimeters or 1 millimeter or however you want to do it. It will be used with the beard trimmer. And we can also have this, so we can go 1 through 10 in terms of the millimeters of how much we want to leave with our beard. And this does come with a brush and a comb as well, just so for any like safekeeping that you want to use it for. We also have this charging station. So this is a great charging station that holds all of our filters and the charge itself. So it will stand up just like this, and then you plug it in through a USB connector. So let's look at this trimmer and start to trim our beard and just show you how this all works. So here's the full-size blade, and we're going to use this to get this stubble off of my face and just show you how this 5-in-1 trimmer actually works. Alright, so there we go. That is our stubble has been taken off our face. There's so much more on this side. You can just see the difference in terms of this versus this. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.